Where can you find the driver software? Download it from the Procolored official website. To install the software, double-click the driver file to start the installation process. Note that during the installation of the driver, the printer needs to be turned on and connected to your computer via a USB cable. Once the installation is completed, you can send a shortcut of the software to desktop.